Hey ladies, how you doing? So I want to do a cute little makeup look. I'm getting ready to go out to a family function. So I was like, you know what? I haven't done a video in a while. Why not? Let's get right into it. So foundation, I'm gonna be talking in between because you know we gotta talk in between. Did my brows ready to kind of move the process along. But foundation is going to be Dior Forever. This is the matte version. This is a concealer. This is just the Forever Skin Correct. But this is the matte version of the foundation elf. I want to try milk, and I want to try the other elf, but it's I can't think right now. It's the pink one. And then I want to try milk. They have a matte, like matte. So they say primer. And I want to try one size. I think they supposed to have like a mattifying primer that comes out like an ointment or something. So I want to try that. So I'm just going to put some primer pretty much in my T-zone. Nothing too fancy. I have all products listed below. And let's just jump right into so I can start talking because I want to talk, y'all. I want to talk. I'm going to shake it up a little bit. I'm kind of moving a little bit fast because my mom wants to go get something to eat. Well, go get like some, she will just go get something. She wants to sit down and just kind of chill for a minute. And we like doing stuff like that. So, y'all, I have not been recording for a while because my camera kind of had a boo-boo situation. I kind of taped it together and it still works. It still records. But now I'm using my DSLR camera, which I've used it when I do like my reels, something like that, if I'm in here. But this camera is more of a professional camera. So I really don't use it. I use the my Canon G7X because it's more portable and it's easy to you know, just maneuver around. I love this foundation. I mean, the look that it gives you is just compares to none, man. I want to try a couple of more foundations. I want to wait till the sale. Look, I done got comfortable. I want to wait till the sale comes because I want to get like 4 foundations. I want to try the Valentino, and I want to try, oh, I can't think of it. I know Lancome is on the list. The new Lancome. I like trying anything 24 hour. That means it's matte and it's gonna stay on. That's what we're looking for. We don't do natural finish over here. I mean, I'll try it because you never know, it may work out. Like my Dior Backstage, that's a natural finish, and it's more of a moisturizer to me. But yeah, I had my do-rag on a little bit too long today. I still have like a little line going on, but it should be out, you know, through the course of the day. So I'm gonna go and put a tad bit just to kind of brush up a little bit. I don't want like a too much of a full coverage, but I do want just a little coverage, you know. I like how this dries down. Like it goes on very nice and like a radiant look, but when it dries down, whew, baby. Gotta get above these brows. Okay, foundation is set. Let's go on with concealer. This duo here is like no other. And I don't need much. And this is not really a brightening concealer. It's light, but it's more of a neutral tone. So I have here 4,5N for neutral because I didn't want to go with anything that was a little bit too yellowy. I wanted something more on an everyday go. So that was the purpose of me getting this concealer. And plus I want something that can mix with other foundations as well. I just don't want to have it to just wear with this foundation. So as you see, just brightens the area up. I'm not sure how this lighting is looking right now due to, I do have an artificial light and I do have the natural light, but there's such an overcast because it was raining earlier. Look at the hand. That's how you know I'm focused. That's how you know I'm focused. Okay. Concealer is on. I'm looking in my mirror, my viewfinder. I'm looking everywhere. So I have these little small little little puffs here. Let's try it out and see how it works. I want to set it underneath my eye. Knowing me, I'm using Laura Mercier. Knowing me, I'm going to probably want to just hold it. This is my first time using it. I bought a pack of, I think 12. And I'm sharing with my daughter's girlfriend so she can have some as well. I didn't think I need them all. Okay. And I just messed up. So I wanted to use my pencil for my eye, but it's okay. We can go for a bronzed eye. I guess I used this on my eye because this point, and I had so much powder I wanted to distribute. Now I would definitely say these are nice, but as you see, it's more for aesthetic purposes. To be honest, so I didn't put any highlight on my chin or on my cupid's bow or on my forehead. I didn't put any concealer. I'm just going to use the powder to just matte out that area. So I'm going to go ahead and put a little bronzer on to kind of bring back some dimension in my face. Black radiance, of course. Oh man, see, I want, you know, another video we'll do it. I have the stick, but I don't feel like blending out right now. I don't feel like doing it. And plus we're in a rush. We're gonna get to that. I'm gonna do a whole full step-by-step, beginner friendly, you know, in addition to, this is pretty, you know, step-by-step. It's not too jazzy. I'm just not explaining, just pretty much showing me doing my makeup. I wanted to talk to you, but I'm getting turned around because I know I'm pressed for time, but I definitely need to make a video to talk to you guys. I will have some beginner friendly, to kind of keep it going with the beginner friendly, I will have some beginner friendly makeup tutorials coming, some step-by-steps, and pretty much my recommendation. I'm using the same brush, y'all. That's how you know you can do this. You don't even need a bunch of brushes. So for my eyes, I'm going to take a fluffy brush here. I'm going to take my bronzer. This is like that simple, quick, on-the-go makeup look. You focus on your face to make sure your base looks really, really nice. And then you come in with your bronzer and just focus on your lid. That's it. Now I'm going to go in and take my powder. I'm going to use the Fenty, and I'm just going to use the same brush. And I'm going to pat in the areas where I didn't put any bronzer. And I'm also using this just to kind of lock things in. I did go over and get my brow straight again. And I only use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products so far. Now we're going to go in with my Clody Dale, I think that's how you say it. My spray. This is just going to loosen up some of that powder and not have it look so powdery. Spraying this is when the actual makeup look comes together. I swear to God. Okay, now I don't mean to be swearing, but I tell you, this stuff is magic. I'm scared to buy a big bottle, but I just recently purchased, today to be exact, another bottle of this to put in my makeup bag, because this needs to be with me at all times. At all times. Like, this doesn't make any sense. So I'm going to go ahead and put on my mascara and my liner off camera. Okay, I'm sitting back looking at, before I get started, I have on my liner and I have on my mascara. I haven't used all the things that I wanted to use on my face, but that is okay. It's because I'm rushing, y'all. I'm rushing. It's that fast on the go. I probably did this makeup look. I think it was like, it said 12 minutes when I cut it off before, but this is like a 10-minute makeup look. I'm so serious. Like, I am literally rushing. So let's get to these lips. And NYX, you guys know, this is an espresso. Lipstick is Jueva's Place. Nubian Sand, I'm sorry. And my choice of lip gloss is my Buxom. This is White Russian. Okay, ladies, so this is my final look. I hope you like it. It's a really quick makeup. As you saw, I was rushing and all the good things, but I want to show you that you can really get you a nice, decent makeup look. Be put together in about 10 to 15 minutes, and you can still have a nice full face if you want to, but I don't have any eyeshadow on. I just have on bronzer, as you guys saw. So let me know if you have any of these products, and is your 10-15 minute makeup look similar to mine? Let me know.